Hello everyone, I am Rohit Tiwari and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will going to install VS Code to run C and C++ program. So let's begin. So at first, you need to open your browser and open google.com. So in the search bar, search VS Code. Here you can see the first link code.visualstudio.com. Open this link. So here you can see download for Windows. I have a Windows PC, so I will download this one. Click on this and it will show a pop-up. So I am going to cancel it because I already downloaded it. So here you can see the setup file. So double click on it. Accept the agreement and click on next. Please make sure you checked all the four things. All the four things. And click on next. Click on install. It will take some time. And this is guys, it is completed. So you can launch the Visual Studio Code from here also. So click on finish and it will open like this. So it is opening and here you can see the welcome screen. So in the left corner you can see this icon, this block type of icon. This is called extension. Click on this and you need to install two extensions. One is C space C++, type C space C++, and here you can see the first one. This extension is by Microsoft, so download it from here. I have already installed it, that's why it is showing these two icons. So please download it from here. And the second one is Code Runner, Code Runner. So type code and you can see this Code Runner. Install this also. So these two extensions will help you to write your code faster and in a efficient manner. So that's it guys. You need to just install two extensions and after that you can open a folder or you can create a file and start writing your code instantly.